Let's look at simplifying expressions involving integer exponents. And we'll look at this through an example. Suppose you want to simplify and write the answer without negative exponents. Let's look at this particular example. 12xy cubed over 14x to the minus 4y to the fifth, all raised to the minus 2 power. So the first thing I'm going to do is try to simplify a little bit inside the parentheses. I notice the 12 and the 14 have a 2 in common, so I can cancel those out, and I get a 6/7. Next, I'm looking at the x's. I have an x to the 1 on top and an x to the minus 4 on bottom. I can combine the exponents, and I have x to the 1 minus a negative 4. And now 1 minus a negative 4 is just 5, so I have x to the fifth. Next, I look at the y's. I have a y cubed on top and a y to the fifth on the bottom. So that's y to the 3 minus 5, and 3 minus 5 is negative 2. And now I've got to remember that I want to raise this whole thing to the minus 2 power. Now, I'm going to raise each piece to the minus 2 power. And so I get 6 to the minus 2 over 7 to the minus 2. X to the 5 times negative 2. 5 times negative 2 is in the exponent. And now y, the exponent, the new exponent, is minus 2 times minus 2. So since 6 and 7 are both raised to negative powers, I put them on the opposite. So 6 to the minus 2, and now I put on the bottom as 6 squared. 7 to the minus 2, I put on top now as a 7 squared. The exponent on x, 5 times negative 2 is a negative 10. And now the exponent on y, negative 2 times negative 2 is a 4. And now I'm just going to combine these, write them as something over something. If the exponent is negative, I push it to the bottom. If the exponent is positive, I push it to the top. And then I simplify the arithmetic. So 7 squared is 49, and 6 squared is 36. Next, I have the y to the fourth on the top. Now x to the minus 10, since I have a negative exponent, I'm going to put an x to the 10 on the bottom.